Hi, kids. It's gonna be Easter soon, so I thought it'd be a good idea to draw an Easter egg. The practice of decorating eggs comes from ancient Ukrainians. They worshipped the sun as a source of life on Earth. They are called pisanki eggs. Pisanki means to write. Today, all over the world, it has become a tradition for Christians to decorate eggs for Easter. Although you don't have to be Christian to decorate eggs, it's just fun to do. So today, instead of drawing on paper, we'll draw on an egg. This is not a raw egg, it's a boiled egg. Otherwise, it would break easily and make a mess. For this task, I prefer to use white eggs. The colors show better. And I use paint, watercolors, rather than crayons. I think it's easier. Alright, in the Easter spirit, let's take some pink and do a squiggly line and do the exact same squiggly line below it. Perfect. Now, wash my brush off and we'll do some polka dots. Blue polka dots. Okay, so we polka dot there. And that looks nice. Okay, we always wash the paintbrush off. And now green, I think. We'll put some green at the top. And a little green at the bottom. And voila, those are some really nice Easter colors. There, I'm going to decorate a few more and then I'll hide them in the yard. We'll see if Cece, Minette, and Alice can find them. See you next time for more drawings. Hi, kids. Have you ever seen a bunny? I mean, a real bunny? I have. I met Snowflake yesterday. She was so beautiful. She has a really long fur, longer than Minette's, and her ears are huge. Did you know that a bunny's big ears aren't just for listening? They're also to help regulate its body temperature. The ear's blood vessels swell when it's hot outside and contract when it's cold. And those amazing ears can also be rotated almost a full circle to 270 degrees. What? I can only rotate mine 180 degrees. Have you tried rotating your ears? I'm pretty sure humans can only wiggle their ears. Try it. Okay, enough with the ear wiggling. Let's draw her. Okay, I like to start with the head. And Snowflake is very fluffy. So, just like to give her extra texture in her fur. Just like that. And then we'll draw her eyes. She has nice big round eyes. Like most bunnies. And a cute little nose. And she's always smiling. Okay, the ears they're really fun because they're really big and floppy and you can just really make them larger than life. Nice. Let's do the chest, which is always so furry. Now the back leg. She has big thumpers. And then the front legs like this. And we add the last leg, put some texture in there, and then the signature bunny tail. And now let's color her in white. We'll do inside the ears in pink, just like the nose. And we add her carrot birthmark, of course. There, yes, that's it. That's Snowflake the bunny. I'm gonna give this one to Minette. She got on really well with her. She'll love it. See you soon, Macaroon.